Trying to wait till there's no cars. Well, good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. We've got 2 removals to finish today. We stripped these trees out completely before the last little hurricane scare we had, and now we're back to take out the rest of them. Alright, so had to run some errands there and got some lunch, so now that I have some fuel in my system, looks like I'm gonna go up this other one. It's got a little bit more to it. I think it's a little taller and it's got a little more to it, so we'll see how this goes. It should still come down pretty quick though, I think. Shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, if you look at this tree, like all these, notice how all these are all cut off before I even got up here. We came over here before the last little hurricane scare that we had. We didn't actually get the hurricane. It was supposed to be like a Cat 5. They just about invented Cat 6. The one that drilled the Bahamas actually, which was horrible. It almost hit here. And the last big hurricane we had, these people got a tree. The trunk of it was actually over there where those bushes are, over that area. And it fell across the fence, and landed in their roof. They had to get a new roof. So she was concerned about this one and the other one we just finished. And then another one back over here we're gonna take down later. She didn't want to do that again. So we came out here, we didn't have time to take the whole trees down, but we stripped them up just to where there was nothing left, so they couldn't blow around. And so now we're just back to finish cleaning them up, take them down the rest of the way. All right, here goes. That? I think so. There we go. Alright guys, well this is where we're going to wrap it up for today. We're not done yet, obviously. We've been taking our time today, just trying to show you some stuff, and we weren't in a huge rush. We don't have a whole lot lined up this week, so we're just taking our time. So this is where we're at right now. We got basically just a 30-foot spar, something right around there. And then we've got some random wood around here. Some of this we'll save for firewood. We may mill some logs if there's a couple long straight ones. We may mill them out. This is the other tree that's coming out later. You can see it's kind of tangled up in this one right here, up there. Still shouldn't be terrible, but we'll tackle that next. Yeah. So. And I want these videos to be not just entertainment, but also educational. So if you're watching these, first of all, subscribe so I know you're interested, because I need to know what's going on. And second, and then ask me questions. You know, ask us what we're doing, and if you have questions about some funky tree in your yard, I'm happy to answer them. But yeah, so give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. If you have questions, ask them so I can try to get to them, and we'll see you next time. Ow! My feet are sore.